Have you ever imagined yourself as an action hero or wanted to turn your own dream movie into reality without a big budget or studio? If yes, then this video is for you. Hicksfield is all-in-one AI video creation platform. Inside one dashboard, you can get access to powerful AI models that will help you to generate cinematic shots, scenes, or even full videos. You don't need advanced editing skills. If you can describe a scene, Hicksfield can help you to turn it into a film-like shot. Okay, so let's start with Nano Banana Pro. Okay guys, so here we are in this Hicksfield dashboard and we can see the amazing Hicksfield logo with our credits, and with the help of this credit I'll be making some amazing images and videos. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so for using Google Nano Banana Pro, what we need to do is we need to click in this image button and it'll take you to this page. As you guys can see, I've already generated some visuals and yes, I've selected the Google Nano Banana Pro. Yes, if it's not showing, maybe it will be showing something like Hicksfield character swap. What we need to do is that we need to just click on this button and you need to select Google Nano Banana Pro. Yes, that's right. Okay, after you selected Google Nano Banana Pro, you will be seeing there are many options. Here you can select aspect ratio. It depends upon you that how you want to create the video. Also, you can see that there is quality option, right? Select quality. There is 1K, there is 2K, and there is 4K. Ultra high detail. Okay, that's 4K for you. Okay, so now I'm gonna select 4K. Alright, it depends upon you that what you want to select, but I'll be selecting 4K, which is ultra. And now also you can select the batch size. Now the batch size is how many generations you want together. Okay, I've entered a prompt and then I'm gonna select that how many generations I want that from that particular prompt together. Okay, so if I select 2, it will get me 2 generations together. If I select 3, then it will get me 3 generations together. If I select 4, so max to max it's 4. Okay, I'm gonna select 2 generations. All right, and I'm gonna I have selected 2 images of mine. As you guys can see, these are my 2 images. And how can you select these images? Okay, you need to click on this upload button and then you will be selected your images. Okay, so I've selected these 2 images and then I'm gonna give it a prompt like a man is wearing sunglasses, black long coat, walking down the street, and the camera is close to his face. Okay, so I've entered this prompt, and now what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna click in this generate button, and now I'm gonna click. Okay, so now it will take some seconds to generate. As you guys can see that these are in progress. Now as you guys can see that these are the 2 generations which I've got from Nano Banana Pro. Okay, this is the first image. Wow, this is looking really good. Yeah, see the details and all. Even my mustache details, even my skin details are here perfectly. Okay, okay, this is the first one and this is the second one. Okay, I'm wearing that same sunglasses and black long coat, walking down the street, and the camera is close to my face. So this generation is also amazing. Okay, so suppose I want to make myself a superhero. Okay, everyone want to be a superhero, right? So I'm gonna give it a prompt like a man wearing superhero costume and he is standing on a terrace and the sky is little dark. The camera is close to his face, and I'm gonna click on this generate button. So this is Nano Banana Pro for you. The best part is consistency. The characters stay consistent across different angles and outfits, which is extremely important for storytelling. Now let's talk about the Kling 2.6 audio. This is where things really gets interesting. Kling 2.6 generate visuals, motion, voice and ambience together. This means you don't need a separate voiceover tool or sound effects. Amazing, right? You can create full scene in one go with camera movement, background sign and dialogue. Okay, now let's get started with Kling 2.6. Okay, so for using the Kling 2.6, what we need to do is we need to click in this video option. So it will take you to this page. And here you can see that I've already generated some videos. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna select that particular generation, which is this generation. Okay, so here I am with a wearing sunglasses, with black long coat, walking down the street, and the camera is close to my face. I'm gonna select this, I'm gonna download it. So for downloading it, I'm gonna click this option and it will download. Okay, and now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna drag this and upload it. Okay, so I've uploaded the image, and now what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna select Kling 2.6. Okay, I'm gonna click this option, and here we're gonna find where is Kling. Here is the Kling, and I'm gonna select the Kling 2.6. Okay, and I've selected the Kling 2.6, and now what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna select that duration. Okay, whether it is 5 seconds or 10 seconds. Okay, I'm gonna select the 5 seconds option. That will be perfect. Now I'm gonna just give it a prompt: man walking and vlogging. Okay, so I'm gonna click on this generate button. Okay, so now we've got the generation and we're gonna see it together. Let's see.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the vlog. Today we're exploring the coolest spots in the city. Hey everyone, welcome back to the...
Amazing, right? This is amazing. It gave a realistic character consistency generation as well as the audio with the perfect lip sync. Let's see it again.
The vlog. Today we're exploring... Hey everyone, welcome back to the vlog. Today
the perfect expressions,
we're
perfect lip syncing, and the voiceover with character consistency. That's Kling 2.6 for you guys.
Exploring the coolest spots in the city.
Okay, so now I'm gonna give it a try. Okay, so now I'm gonna give it another try. I'm gonna select an image of mine, which is this superhero images which we have generated. Okay, so now I'm gonna select a prompt. I'm gonna give it a prompt like a superhero walking, and he is seeing a city is getting destroyed in front, and it's a cinematic shot. Okay, so I'll give a prompt like a superhero walking and he is seeing a city is getting destroyed in front, and it is a cinematic shot. I'm gonna click on the generate button and let's see the generation. Now let's talk about the WAN 2.5 audio model. This is an unrestricted culture native video AI model that gives you generated visuals, motion, and audio together. WAN 2.5 audio supports bold prompts and stylish storytelling, which makes it great for creative and cinematic content. You can generate up to 10 seconds videos with audio lip sync and sound effects and smooth camera motion in one pass. It also supports multi-aspect ratios, so it works perfectly for YouTube shorts and reels. Okay, so now it's turn for the WAN 2.5. Okay, this is the same page and I've selected WAN 2.5 by clicking this WAN option, and here's the 2.5. As you can see, it's written here that is the next video generation with sound. Okay, so I'm gonna select the quality, which will be the 1080p quality, and I'm gonna select the duration, which is 5 seconds, and yeah, I'm gonna give it a prompt, and the prompt is something like this. Okay, so this is the prompt, and now I'm gonna click on this generate button and let's see what's the result.
The first rule of AI filmmaking: you do talk about AI filmmaking.
You are watching the video, but you have not liked and subscribed, so please subscribe to the channel.
Now we talked about Nano Banana Pro, we talked about WAN 2.5 audio, we talked about Kling 2.6, and now we're gonna talk about the big boss, which is the cinema studio of Hicksfield. Yes, that is right. So here you can see that I've came to this page of the cinema studio. You can come here by clicking this option, and here the images will be generating will be another level. It will be like you are yourself Christopher Nolan. How? Here you can see that here there are different type of cameras, there are different type of lens, there are different type of focal lengths, and there are different types of varieties of option. Here you can select IMAX film camera. Can you imagine you're a director and you are making a film with the help of the IMAX camera? Here you can select the Sony. Here you can select, I'm gonna select the IMAX camera. I'm gonna give you an example. I've selected this IMAX camera, okay? And now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna select some reference images of mine. Okay, I've selected the same images of mine, which is this image and this image. Okay, and now what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna give it a good prompt, which is a man sitting on a bench and it's sunset time, and the camera is close to his face as he is serious and looking at the right side. It's a cinematic shot, and okay, that's it, I guess. Now I'm gonna click in this generate button and the generations will be mind-blowing. Okay, now get ready for the result. So this is the result. Ooh, see the detail, guys. This is next level. Like, no one will believe this is AI, right? This is so super real. It really, maintains each and every detail. Even it maintains my skin details, the lighting, the hair background is blurred. It is fully giving a cinematic vibe. Now, not only this, Cinema Studio is another level. Let me show you how. Now we're gonna click in this video, okay? And now I'm gonna select the start frame, okay? And I'm gonna select the generation of the cinematic video. And now I'm gonna select the movements. And here you will be seeing that there are many camera movements over here, okay? There is statics, there is zoom out, zoom in, camera follows, pan left. Okay, I'm gonna select pan left, okay? And let me click on this generate button. Let me see how the result is. So it will take some time and I'll show you the generation. Now you can see with the same prompt, just by selecting another camera, another lens, another focal length, the generation, which was this, is now this. Now this is super mind-blowing. Like, oh my god, this is amazing, right? Now I'm gonna click on this animate button and I'm gonna select, okay, as the first frame, I'm gonna click then the moments, and I'm gonna click the dolly right, or yeah, the dolly right, yes. And now I'm gonna click on this generate button and let's see the result. So everything I've seen in this video, all the cinematic shots were created using the Hicksfield Cinematic Studio. No complex editing, no switching between tools, just clear creative control and cinematic results. If you are a creator who wants to turn idea into film scenes faster, this is honestly one of the best AI tools ever. All links are in the description below. Explore Hicksfield, try Cinematic Studio and see what you can create.
If you want to try Hicksfield yourself, I've added a promo code in the description below. You can use it to explore the platform and test this tool on your own.
If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe.